Welcome to our DataBricks tutorial. You are going to learn how can you retrieve the matching rows from to data frame by using PySpark. So guys, if you are working as a PySpark developer, data engineer, data analyst or data scientist for any organization, it requires you to be familiar with data frames because data manipulation is the act of transforming, cleansing and organizing raw data into a format that can be used for analysis and decision making purpose. So guys, please stay tuned with this video and have a lot of fun. So in this example we are using DataBricks Community Edition, which is free services from the DataBricks side. If you want to learn and you want to upgrade your skills, then you can utilize this web-based feature. So in this video we have two data sets like employee data and employee distribution. So now we have to read this data into data frames, and we'll see there is a common column in both data set, that is employee ID. Here we are importing some PySpark libraries. First of all, we are importing PySpark session module. Then we are calling sql.function and import columns. After that, we are creating our Spark session by creating a local variable, that is Spark. Then Spark session dot builder dot app name matching rows dot get or create. Now in the next section you can see here we have the file path of our CSV, which is available inside the DataBricks file storage. Then in the next row we are reading this data in a new data frame, that is df underscore employee, and we are calling spark.read.csv. Then we are passing our actual file path, then header equal to true, and then infer schema equal to true to retrieve the actual schema of the data inside the CSV file. Then we are printing our schema from this data set. Here you can see employee ID integer, name string, city string, country string. Then in the next row we are printing this data frame. Here you can see we have employee ID, name, city and country. This is our first data frame. We are calling it as a df underscore employee. Now we have the second file, that is employee distribution, and in this file we are loading this data into the another data frame, that is df underscore emp distribution equal spark.read.csv. Then we are passing our file path, then header equal to true, infer schema. Then we are printing the schema of this data set. Here you can see employee ID, age, department and salary. In both data set you can see employee ID is common, so we are going to use this column to retrieve the matching rows from both data frames. Now if you see the data in this file, then you can see employee ID, age, department and salary. Now we are going to retrieve the matching rows from both data frames. So in this example we are going to use join feature. data frame join feature where we are passing our second data frame, then the common column name, then the type of join. So like inner join, outer join, full join, right join. So it is similar to any join in SQL. So you can assume like that you are playing with two data tables in SQL. So in this next row, we are creating our new data frame DataTF underscore join. Then we are using our first data frame df underscore employee dot join, and we are passing our second data frame df underscore emp distribution, and the common key column, that is employee, and type of join inner join. Then we are printing our schema over here. In the next row, we are displaying the data from retrieved data frame. So we are using df underscore join dot display. Then you can see we are retrieving all the matching rows which are available in both data sets. Okay, so here, yeah. So here you can see 1, 2 ID, 4 is missing in this final output. This is because if you see the second data frame, that is employee distribution, there is no value for this employee ID 4. But if you see the main data frame, that is employee info, and in this data frame employee ID 4 is available, but in the second data frame employee ID 4 is not available. That's why it is fetching only matching record from the both data frames. So you can see it is very easy to retrieve the matching rows from two data frames by using PySpark. So guys, please stay tuned with this video and have a lot of fun. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.